In complex construction environments, a tiny misjudgment can lead to huge consequences. Tight spaces, blind spots, unexpected obstacles. Operators are constantly under pressure. Can we make risks visible before they happen? Sinoboom CARS, Collision Avoidance Radar System, equipped with multiple distributed sensors, forming a three-dimensional, interwoven sensing array that builds an all-around intelligent protection network. So, every inch of the boom can truly feel its surroundings. Using solid-state ultrasonic and radar dual fusion technology, it enhances system responsiveness, making protection faster, more precise, and smarter. With proactive sensing, it dramatically reduces safety risks. Level 1. Early warning. When the boom approaches an obstacle, the system visually and audibly alerts, helping operators avoid danger so risks are anticipated before they strike. Level 2. Speed reduction. If the risk persists, the system automatically slows down operations, allowing operators more time to react, avoiding hasty decisions. Level 3. Active braking. Once danger becomes imminent, the system automatically stops the entire machine's movement, using intelligent braking to form the last line of defense. From manual reaction to intelligent intervention, safety no longer depends solely on the operator's attentiveness and experience. All-weather adaptive sensing. Adapt to various working conditions, whether it's night, fog, or sand dust, tunnel. The radar maintains stable and accurate detection of every potential risk. Safety is more than protection. It's the foundation of trust in the intelligent era. Sinoboom CARS, bringing smart, reliable control to every job site.